Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're looking at the ER-900 series and we're going to demonstrate how you can clear all sales totals, reset all sales totals on the register you have. So if you're familiar with my videos, you'll know this is the 940 model, but the process is the same across the range. A word of warning on this isn't something you should be doing on a regular basis. You will have either been advised to do this by a dealer or maybe your accountant because you've inherited the machine from someone else and there's a lot of sales data which is unrelated to your business. But for whatever reason, I'm not telling you to do it, I'm just showing you how to do it. If you want to look at it up in the manual, it's in the service mode section, so it is shown in there. One thing you will need that you may not have is a metal key marked C. So the C key is a dealer key for accessing the service mode to carry out this sort of procedure, memory allocations on the machine and updating the EEPROM on the machine. So C key is normally, you wouldn't keep it with the register as standard because of the type of things you can do. There'd be no reason on a regular basis to go into the service mode. So if you haven't got the C key, you need to get hold of one. Once you have your C key to carry out the procedure, you turn the C key round to the service mode, which is one turn past PGM. It's unmarked because you're not supposed to go into it. Then the procedure is 20 subtotal followed by the QTY time button. It might be X time on your keyboard, and then you press cash to thermalize to confirm or finalize. You get a little printout showing all total clear. If you press cash again, it comes up with an error. I like to do that just to prove I've done it correctly. I'm trying to think of an example why I might have done this. If I've gone on site to reprogram someone's till, and then I've maybe put through some sales to test it out without going into the training mode, which I shouldn't really have done, then that's why an engineer or a dealer would have this sort of ability to do this sort of thing. I've actually got a video showing you all about the training mode as well. I'll put that up at the end of here. If you use the training mode, then it should stop you having to do this sort of thing. Okay, because you've put the C key in, I'd strongly recommend that you turn the key round to off before doing anything else. Remove the C key. You don't want anyone accidentally going into the service mode and messing around with the settings of the machine. Put your normal key back in, and we'll just have a look. Basically everything should be back to zero. So you get a printout saying all total clear, one subtotal. So yeah, our normal financial Z report is empty. I'm not sure if it affects the other things. Yeah, it totally. So you got to be a bit careful because it's reset all your reports. So that's the group report, the PLU report, your time report, financial report. Every type of report you can run on the machine has now been set back to zero. So yeah, definitely check that you want to do that before you carry out the procedure. Don't do this sort of thing lightly or regularly. Check out my video on training mode if you keep getting this sort of problem, maybe when you're training new staff or you're learning how to use the machine yourself. When you finish that sort of thing, always get the key back to reg mode, and as I say, don't leave the C key in the machine. Leave it somewhere safe where only you can access it. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more on how to get the best out of the ER-900 series, some of which will be appearing on screen now. Please check those out. Please also subscribe to this channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.